Hi YouTube, I guess. Yeah, I have no introduction right now, but if you have a good idea for an introduction for YouTube status updates for my channel, feel free to write it in the comments. I would like to know. And yeah, we are doing the first status update of my project in English. Before it was all in German. So if you can speak German, feel free to look at the YouTube channel right now and look at the old status updates. You can see there the progression of the system. And today I will be doing that for the first time in English as well. And we have some interesting topics, I guess, if you're interested in Minecraft. So let's look into it. Or maybe the obvious one why I had the screen open, right? I have a new monitor setup, as you can see here, that before I had only the screens here at the bottom only. And now I've added one more on top here. And the idea for that is that if I get to the stage where the system is running and we have Minecraft servers running, then I can have my sysops stuff basically on top here. That would mean that I have some consoles open all the time on top here, as you can see now. And I could spot error messages on different servers directly and act on that and create hot fixes while I can still watch that happening. And streaming stuff would be on the side here. So that is basically necessary to, at some point, if the server system starts, to have everything in the view, right? All right, but let's get to the topics. I've been working on the screen a little bit more. As you can see, it now looks worse than before. So if we look back at the state we had before, it looks something like this. And you can see there's much nicer color on top, and the buttons here are working, and all of that is now somewhat gone. The reason for that is that I found out that it took way too much time to create the research part of the screen. And a lot of the time I've spent just adjusting buttons, adjusting colors of buttons and stuff like that, and failing a lot of times to just get a button to work because I needed to render a new texture or something. And that is way too much time wasted on something that should take seconds if possible. So I started rewriting the way that these buttons are being generated. And the idea now is that basically all of these buttons are being auto-generated by the system, and I can just overlay some icons on top. And the question right now is that 1.16.2? Yes, it is. That is vanilla 1.16.2 with no modification on the client side. All of this is done on the server side. So you could join the server right now, etm.dev. You can see somewhere there. And yeah, this is what I'm working on right now. I hope that I will get this done in the coming week. And then the system should look the same as before. And I should be having this screen again, but with a new system. And this would allow us to quickly change all of the buttons in the complete system, right? So I have the possibility here to change stuff on the fly. For example, we can see that right here, these buttons here, I have a different color than these ones. And I could now go into my code. I can change that back to the original one. And I could save the file if I go enough steps back. What the fuck? All right, now. And then I just reload the plugin. In this case, I need to do that for the images to be reloaded. And now you can see that the buttons have changed to another color, right? So the idea is that this is as quick as possible, so checking and testing new ideas of the system gets way, way, way quicker. And that is one of the things I am working on right now. So this will take some time to get the new system working and to understand how the new system works. That always takes some time to understand yourself, because I'm already used to the old system, but the old system is now gone. So it takes some time to getting to know the new system, even though I'm writing it myself. And yeah, that is basically it for this week. I will probably be taking some time off in the next 2 weeks. I will still be streaming on Sundays, and I will still be doing the status updates. But other than that, not that much more, at least streaming wise. All right, see you next week.